How about next on the list is the 1957 Chevrolet 150 two-door station wagon. This is Larkspur blue and India ivory over dark gray and light gray. 350 cubic inch V8, the Holly Sniper EFI. I think that's the way to go, that Holly Sniper. I think I'm going to put that on my Hurst Old.
Are you? Okay.
That'd be a good, don't you think that'd be smart?
I'll tell you where to take it.
You tell me where to go. You tell me where to take it, who will do that for me, right?
Yep.
Well, we could do it here, but we don't.
I like these non-nomad wagons. I do too. I have a thing for handymans and stuff.
That's why I picked this one. I mean, the Nomad's cool, and it's it's the one that everybody looks at when you say a wagon, a Nomad, Bel Air. But I really, really do like the 150s. And especially if they're painted in one of those good like Larkspur blue and
50s
ivory.
color. Yeah,
the great 50s color. And this has got heat and air conditioning and power front disc brakes.
There you go.